Which is officially the largest desert in the world? Sahara, Gobi, Antarctic, Kalahari. Correct answer, Antarctic. In the 1830s, what was sold as medicine for baldness and diarrhea? Mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, Coca-Cola. Correct answer, ketchup. Which of these was established first? The Aztec Empire, Oxford University, Machu Picchu, the printing press. Correct answer, Oxford University.